Hello, dear friends, I'm glad to welcome you on this channel. And in this video, you and I, friends, will talk about how you can take a screenshot on your iPhone. But before we start our topic, please give this video a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and write your comments. So let's get down to this topic. And I will show you two methods, thanks to which you will be able to take screenshots on any iPhone. So, for the first method, you will need to use the buttons that are on the iPhone. Namely, you will need to press the off button as well as the volume up button at the same time. Just one press together. So see how this is done. You press it, and as you can see, it takes a screenshot. But if you wouldn't like to take a screenshot thanks to clicking on the buttons, then there is another method. You can do it by simply clicking on the screen. Now I will show you what you need to set up for this. Please open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, select this option right here. Now swipe, tap, and the very first option. Then turn it on. And as you can see, you'll see a button like this. You'll need to customize it. It can be moved to any part, as you can see, of your screen. And in order for you to customize it, folks, you're going to need to click right here on the menu. And then you can choose exactly what this button will do. You can choose to take a screenshot and go back. That way, when you click on the button, you will have a screenshot taken. These are the two methods that you will be able to take screenshots on your iPhones very easily and quickly. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also write your comments and be sure to put likes. See you soon, friends.